Oh my God, Kolaba. Okay. So I live in a hostel, and obviously, when I came to Mumbai for the first time, everyone was talking about Kolaba Causeway and how many amazing things there are to buy and shop for. So yeah, I decided to go there one day with some people who were going to church close by, and I get a few thousand bucks for every month. That day I spent 750 bucks shopping for nothing but rings, earrings, kurtas. I basically bought everything I saw, and it's always amazing to be there because I end up wasting all my money, which is not a good thing. But there's it's the shopper's paradise. You can buy antiques and you can buy clothes, you can buy accessories, you can buy shoes, and then when you're done, you can go to McD or you can go to Olympia or you can just go watch a movie at Regal. And then when you come back home, you can ponder about how many of the things you actually need and how many of them you don't. But it's still Kolaba and it's amazing.
So I went to Colaba Causeway first when I was 5. I wasn't really into the whole shopping thing, but my friends really wanted to go. They wanted to see the place. They loved it. So when I got there, I was pleasantly surprised. I saw the stalls. I saw the just the diversity. There the people. There were white people. There were Asians. There were black guys. There were so many different types of people, and I was like, wow, this is like a melting pot of different and various cultures. And suddenly, out of nowhere, I looked around and I realized that I was completely lost. My friends were nowhere next to me, and I look ahead of me and I see this large, imposing edifice, and I look up and I think, what kind of building is this? And turns out it was the Gateway of India. That was a great day actually for me. I ran home all excited. I was like, Mom, I just saw the Gateway of India. And she was like, yeah, Donovan, that's great. Just another day in my son's life.
So, when I think of Kolaba, the first thing that strikes me is the food. Okay, apart from street shopping, the one best thing about Kolaba is the variety of food you get there. So, for me, when I was in FY, okay, when we first started with college and everything, we were bonding. Like, I had few people with me, like Della, Fabian, and all. So we just used to randomly come up with ideas. Oh, let's just go to Monday Girls or Bade Mia or Olympia. It's pretty close, right? So we used to go there, hang out, spend a lot of good time. So that was the time when we started bonding, and I think Kolaba has a big hand there.
So Causeway for me is romantic because all those shopkeepers and all the tourists that are there, and in between the shops there are these little stalls where men are sitting and carving metal into keychains and stuff. So I had an idea about giving one of these a personalized, customized keychain to my my special friend, boyfriend, for his birthday, and I did, and he really liked it. So the thing is, it's brilliant because you can ask them to make whatever. So you can give him or her the reference of the show they like, or a book, or anything like that. Um, Also, Cafe Churchill is, I call it the dessert central because it has brilliant desserts. So when we don't have time for a full blown lunch, or when we don't want to eat that much, we just drop into Cafe Churchill, have their banoffee pie, Irish Bailey pastry, and go. So that's a really good memory.